Hello, and welcome to Vincian. In this video, you will learn how to create the restore job for Exchange server in Vincian Backup and Recovery. Here we have a backup of the Exchange server, and we are going to restore the Exchange server from this backup. Go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Enter the authentication of it. Add the user or email to shopping cart. Select the target organization. Recovery method. Select strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job complete, you can check your restore email in your email box. It has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.